far now.
How you take no?
No waiting.
That thing wey you tell me that day nah. After Kubala show.
If they carry me joke, I get connection now. The guys even come meet me sef. But I tell them say EPL matter don't tire me. Now why I tell you say make you ready your CV. You don't submit am ba?
Wallahi, I be not believe you. I think say na one of those your normal nonsense talk.
They trust yourself now. Thank God sir been tell you on time.
Now tomorrow I dey plan submit am sha.
Tomorrow, it's like you are not a serious somebody. Coaches like Antonio Conte and Zidane don't submit their CV, tete. You still there here. Even Brendan Rodgers, who still the coach Leicester, don't submit your own.
Wetin I go come do?
You they ask me? I resemble your papa. I beg, leave me, Joe. I get Syria A to carry.
Oga Club, good morning, sir.
Kubala, how you doing now?
I dey fine, sir.
Now you come be cameraman today?
My cameraman go do inside hustle, sir.
Okay, now we go see later.
Wait, sir. Where they go?
I dey go Kazakhstan. He gets one of my guys wey win $2 million for 1xbet. I won't go make I see whether the guy go cost so for me.
Abeg, make I follow you so that him go cost so for me join.
You dey craze? I never know whether the guy go gree for me. You want come follow me join body? If you want try your luck, just go register for 1xbet's website and use the promo code GNEXT so that them go give you 200% bonus on top your first deposit to take bets. Read all their rules and conditions for any bonus before you bet o. And don't forget to bet responsibly. Bye bye.
But Oga Club,
Una welcome my fellow coaches.
Oh my God.
thank you, my brother.
I know say by now all of una don sabi wetin dey happen.
Omo, na so we see am.
Guy, I swear that no make sense o.
Gwediele, abeg, wetin dey happen?
Another Arab money don enter EPL.
I didn't understand. Which Arab money and which club them buy?
So you never sabi say Saudi Arabia money don Colombia Newcastle.
Ewe! How ne? I think say we step them the next time.
Omo na backyard dem follow o.
K! What is the meaning of all this rubbish, ne? Why EPL? Why them not get Spanish League or even Serie A?
Because dem wan spoil market for us.
Which kind of exercise where hell can be held this one, ne?
Na why I call today emergency meeting so that we go quick prepare for these guys.
Prepare waiting.
Prepare for them na.
Na him I dey ask you now. You dey prepare to pack your car comot from EPL? Abi you dey prepare to go relegation? Because any which way, those guys don already come. They no dey go anywhere.
So you mean to tell me say in the next 2 years now, these Newcastle guys go fit kick Man U comot from top 4?
Exactly.
Tend the French kiss of Namel there.
If you like vex from now till them sack you, that one concern you. Arsenal been not the top 4 before. Why did you say them come out?
When a man you can commit from top fair, why not care level pal at Chelsea?
See nonsense talk oh. Me and you na mate.
Ole, you no go respect yourself, abi?
It be like say and I don't forget saying I make carry second last season. You this tackle. You just the epi melt like dead fish.
You say wetin?
Maybe you likely finish fifth last season after Leicester collect bribe finish. And you Mr. Clap. If you like, they deceive yourself, send a me get relegate from top fair. Manchester United no be a mate oh. Now we be number 1 EPL club forever.
Tuku, maybe now you go relegate from top 4.
Make crocodile bite my blockers.
It be like say you no value your black ass.
Make una calm down. Before Newcastle start to give us walla for top 4, it go take small time. The club why they beating now na Arsenal.
A BL.
For 2004, they been they form the Invincibles. But as it take be now, on top the small hustle we that they try hustle. It be like
It be like say wetin?
I beg take a easy now.
Make I tell na something. Newcastle or not Newcastle. Oil money or no oil money. I must enter top 4 and nothing I go fit do.
Now shit you want shitters come out from top fair.
If una try block me, I go shoot all over una.
Now well, which kind game Monopoly can be this one?
You say wetin?
Nothing.
how this guy take enter this place.
E be like say Tuku forget to lock door.
At this rate, it be like say na Tuku go drop top 4 for this guy yo.
Ma die.
He go still die any which way.
Oga Pochettino Ansari, una welcome.
Kubala, how you there now?
I dey okay, sir. Abeg, before we continue with the show, e get advert wey my show producer talk say make I read for the show.
No wahala, carry go.
Okay. You be new football fan wey dey find better club to fan? Or you be Arsenal fan wey don tire to dey cry on top Arsenal matter? Maybe you don check Chelsea, Man U, City or Liverpool, but none of them get the kind club spirit and motivation you dey find. Or maybe you just be ordinary plastic fan wey dey find your next club to fan. Make I introduce to you now, the club of all clubs, The club where you no go ever witness heartbreaking loss. The club where go carry every and all carryables in the nearest future. This club go teach PSG and Man City how to use oil money. The club where all the clubs for Europe go soon start to dey greet good morning sir. Ladies and gentlemen, make I introduce to you the club where go from Newcastle disease to Newcastle United this season, aka Magpies. Thank you.
Now what for this advert or? Kobala, how much them pay on for this advert safe?
I no know. Now my producer just tell me say make I read them.
Okay, oh.
Oga Pochettino, as players go international break last week, Premier League come announce say one Saudi business consortium wey get past £320 billion don go buy Newcastle United. Wetin you think say go be the impact for EPL and European football?
First of all, Newcastle no go fit carry every in the next few years.
I hope say you hear the kind money them say these people get.
Them no go fit use all that money take pimp the club now.
No, I just want to remind you say you get money wey pass money for this life.
Financial fair play people talk say na only around 200 million plus them go fit use for the next 3 years on top the club head.
You no hear that plus waiting for the back of that 200 million? I swear I never sabi these people. Them go just use English confuse you. You no go know wetin them they talk again.
Anyway, in the short term, I feel say them go fit save Newcastle from relegation this season, and it go increase the competition and pump money enter EPL. But wetin I don't like now say, it go overhype players and their price.
Oga Sarri, Roma and Juventus go clash on Sunday. As Juventus just dey comot from their rough Serie A start this season, and the good form wey Roma dey, who you think say go comot on top?
Them go mend Mourinho and him boys now. Mourinho just carry small money buy second-hand players come Loma. Come the talk say him be title contender. Juve go put them for their proper place for table. Not be say you go dey play small team they form Jadon. You know say wetin I do am the time where we jam?
Yonko, no be small things don dey beat you since. I no go surprise if you win Inter for your next game, because it be like saying to barrier big teams you come do for Serie A this season.
You declare. I no blame you wey be figurehead for the club where you suppose the coach. Without the infinity stones for this world, common learners still dey knack you 2 pondo. 1 goal sef, you no see score.
Your papa.